Hello everyone, welcome to the Artemis Systematic Trading Models. Before we jump into the topic, brief intro. My name is Ankit Jain and I'm a full-time office goer, which simply means I cannot participate actively into the market hours. So the models which I'm going to teach here will reflect the same philosophies. You don't need to actively participate in hours to tweak those models or do anything during the hours. What we will learn here is a basic of statistics, where you will learn how to build models and how to do the trading using those models, and the standard deviations, probabilities. Don't worry, it's not as complicated. We will just take small pieces from it and build the model using it. For more details, you can go to our page unoffice.com/Artemis and you will find more details here on this page. Jumping back, we will have a trading system which is built on basic Greeks of call and put option and how we are going to analyze the option chain, and some Google functions, because as you can see, our entire tool is built on Google Sheets. So this Google Sheet tells you that for this expiry in Bank Nifty, what position you need to sell, and for Nifty, what position you need to sell. So it's a no-nonsense system. It will give you a clear call that this needs to be done. And I have prepared a video which shows you how you can build this tool scratch up. So you will learn those basic Google Finance functions as well. Before, when I created that first video, the new trading system was not there. Hence, the straddles were more return. They have more returns on investment. But with new trading systems or the new margin systems, you will have more returns on the defined risk strategies. So I've added two more models. One is the vertical spread and one is iron condor, where you can take advantage of the new margin system. You can see the details of this in this particular sheet, and all the trades which we have booked on the previous models are here. And there is another dashboard for the new trading systems on the percent spreads and delta, the vertical spread and the iron condors. Once all this three is taught, you will be able to get a weekly signals that what position we are initiating through our channels. So we will give you the access of the entire community. So you will have a Slack channel which you can simply join by clicking on this button on the page. And when you click here, you will be able to sign up using the ID, and it will immediately give you an access to this forum of traders where the trading ideas in general are also being shared. So you will have access not just to the model, you will also have access to the other traders in the community. So what we are giving you is an access to the dashboards, the course, and the community. All this will be available to you at the price of 600 rupees per month, payable as 7,200. For more details, you can go to our website and find everything there. Hope to see you soon.
Hi, I am Amit, and let me introduce to my community Unoffice. And Artemis is a system which we recently launched with my friend Ankit, and he shall be talking about three systems here. One is a strangle model, and after the new margin system, the strangle model margin actually went up, but it never made any loss in any week since the inception of it. Now, I don't want you to believe me, I want you to check the system because he has told everything of that system in this video. And I want you to backtest yourself and you can easily verify that. Since we have started it, there is no loss. So we have not made any loss in the corona times also. And after the new margin systems came, we made one vertical spread strategy and one iron condor strategy. In here you can see that we deposited 60,000 and tested it and it went up very fine. And in Artemis, the model 1, the strangle model, is always free. You can just check here, come to this link unoffice.com/Artemis, and you can check that we need to sell 10150p in Nifty and 23,000 C in Bank Nifty. Okay, and yeah, this model will be always free. And this is our community. You can just join in our Discord by going to unoffice.com/go/Discord. I shall be showing you how. Go to join and click Discord, and also you can join the Slack community here. And if you want to know about the other two strategy and the trades of it, See, right now in my website, I have made the other model free also for this week to showcase the other users. You can see the trades are coming here, and also you can see the whole cumulative profits, and trading model 2 and trading model 3 are starting from this week. Okay, so the first strategy is always free, you can do that. And if you want to do the other two strategies, and if you want to learn that how those strategies work, you can join this course. And it is limited to 100 people only, as you can see here. And I want you to see this video. I know I already told about this, but if you like this video, and only then you should consider joining this course. You can see the Discord looks like this. To join Discord, you can go join and click Discord, and to join Slack, you can go here. Discord and Slack are interconnected to each other, and you can see that it just started the course here, and you can see the community here named Artemis. The three models are there, and this is a general discussion forum. These are the course contents. It will be taught by Ankit in the same similar fashion which he did the YouTube video in above, and that's it.